Hello students, now let us try to understand the integrated first order reaction for gaseous phase. So suppose the reaction is taking place in the aqueous phase that we have already done, and for the gaseous phase we are going to study. So for that one we are considering one equation, student. Suppose A is converting into B plus C, and in this case what is there, student? When time is equal to 0, when t is equal to 0, so at that time t is equal to 0 means P initial will be there, student. P initial pressure. Okay. So what we can do here, student, in this process to understand, that is, the product is having zero pressure. Product is having no pressure, we can say. And whatever the pressure will be there, that is the pressure of the reactant will be there, because reaction not started, so that is this pressure will be for product B and C will be 0, and whatever the pressures have been taken for the A will be the initial pressure. Up now T is equal to T equilibrium. T is equal to T equilibrium. So suppose this is here is, student, this is X ATM. This is also how much, student? This is X ATM. Okay, so what will happen, student? Here will be what, student? P minus X ATM. It is the Pi minus X ATM. So this will be there at some time temperature. Okay, up now, student, where Pi is the initial pressure and at time t is equal to 0, right? What I am going to do, student, I am calculating that is P total. Okay, P total. So according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, total pressure is equal to what, student? Sum of partial pressure. Sum of partial pressure. So sum of partial pressure means what, student? What is meaning of? That is P total is equal to PA plus PB plus PC, right? So PA is there, student, how much? Pi minus X. What is there? Plus what is X plus X. This X plus minus X is cancelled out. So P minus plus what is there? X. So P total is equal to Pi minus plus X. This is there. Now, from this one we can calculate X is equal to P total minus Pi. Right. This we got. Okay. We student, in this reaction when we are calculating rate, so rate is what, student? That is, where rate constant, if you are calculating rate constant. So for rate constant what we need? That is 2.303 upon what? T log, initial Pi upon P total. So P total, for that is for what? P total of A. We are calculating for the P total of A and Pi of A. Okay, in the term of reactant. So that is Pa, if you want to calculate. So Pa, how can you calculate, student? Pa. So Pa, if you want to calculate, student. So from the equation you see here, Pa is how much there, student? So P minus X is there. Pa is equal to P minus X is there, and X in this equation is there. So that is, we can write P minus Pt minus Pi, right? So this is they have given. If you multiply, so Pi minus Pt plus Pi, so that is Pa is equal to what is coming, student? Pi plus Pi, 2Pi minus Pt, 2Pi minus Pt, right? This is the Pa. Of now student, what we can do here, that is from the rate constant, if you are writing from the rate constant, so what we can write, student, from the rate constant? So K is equal to 2.303 upon T log P initial upon P final. Okay, so initial PIA initial you can write upon PA, that is final, just like we wrote na A naught upon A. So that is PA. Now you put the value of PA and PI value. So what is will be there, student? K is equal to 2.303 upon T log. Okay, student. So Pi is the as it is. Okay, initially we have taken in this reaction Pi, and final pressure we calculated here 2 Pi minus Pt. So Pi upon 2 Pi minus Pt. This is our answers. So K is equal to, this is our integrated equation for the gaseous phase. Now let us try to move for the another student problem based on this. So how to solve the problem based on this, student? Let us read out the problem, then try to solve. Okay. For the following data were obtained during the first order thermal decomposition of N2O5 at constant value. Right, student? So they have given, student, equation they have given 2N2O5, student. It is converting into 2N2O4 plus O2. Okay. Now when T is equal to 0, when T is equal to 0, right, student? When T is equal to 0, so that is here when time is equal to 0, so initial pressure they have given, student, total pressure at that time. So here pressure was there 0.5 and here it was the 0 and 0, right, student? So but when they are saying that is time, when the time become, student, when the time become how much, 100, when the time become 100, so suppose T is equal to at the 100, okay, second something. So here is, if you are here is the pressure is 100. These are all the pressure in the ATM are there. This is the ATM, this is ATM, right, student? So 100. So right, that is in this case what we are doing, student, that is for the case first we are considering, case first. So if you are considering the case first, student, case first, so what you will be able to get, student, at the suppose at the time I am taking, at the time, that is case first, you write that is case first. Okay. So after some time if you are calculating, student, so how much it will be the x ATM, it is the 2x ATM, right, student? And it is 0.5 minus how much, 2x ATM, 0.5 minus 2x ATM. So P total, if you are calculating, student, P total. So this all we have to add it out, student. 0.5 minus 2x plus 2x plus x. So these plus minus cancel out. So 0.5 plus x. This is the P total, right, student? From here, student, what we can do from here, if you want to calculate, so x is equal to what can we write, student? X is equal to, so that is P total minus 0.5, P total minus 0.5, x is equal to P total minus 0.5. So x value we got, student. So if you want to calculate P, N2O5, P N2O5, if you want to calculate, student. So from the relation you come, student, how much is there? So 0.5 minus 2x is there. So you can write here 0.5 minus 2x. So here you can put the value 0.5 minus 2x value is there. 2 and x value, this value you can put here. So what will come, student? Pt minus 0.5. So how much will be there, student? 0.5 minus 2pt plus 1. So this will, if you add it out, student, so 1.5 minus 2pt, right? This is 1.5 minus 2pt. Now student, what we have to do, at this is the case number 1. Up case 2 we are going, case 2. So if you are going case 2 in this question, because they are the following data were obtained the first order thermal decomposition N2O5, this is given. So at the, when the time is 0, the at pressure, this we have calculated. Now time is 100, if you are taking this one, time is 100, then how to calculate, student? See, so case 2 if you are going, case 2, T is equal to 100 second. So what is P total is equal to 0.512 ATM, right? So what is therefore what we can write, student? Pn2O5. So Pn2O5 is already there 1.5. We have already calculated now, 1.5 minus 2 pt. Okay, now student, see, final pressure they have given in the question. They have given 5.12. This is the final pressure. So what we can write, student, that is 1.5 minus 2 pt, 2 into 0.512. So how much will come, student? It will come, if you are calculating, it is coming 0.476. it is coming atm, right? This is the we got, that is Pn2O5. So what we can write, student? This, no, Pn2O5 means P total. This is means P total only, nothing but. So what we can do, student, that is from the rate constant. From the rate constant, if you want to, from the rate constant. So from the rate constant, what we can write, student? K is equal to 2.303 upon t log kitna, how much will coming, student? P initial upon P total, right, student? So 2.303 upon t, how much? 100 second, and log is there, P initial is there 0.5 upon P total is equal to 0.476, right, student? So if you solve it out, student, so it is coming out our answer 4.92 into 10 power minus 4 second inverse. This is our required answer. Thank you so much for watching, friends.